Keeping your car interior clean helps it look good, feel comfortable, and maintain its value. However, using common household cleaning products may seem convenient, but some can damage your seats, dashboard, windows, and other interior surfaces. Here are some household items you should never use to clean your car interior, and why they can be harmful. One of the worst products you can use is bleach. Bleach is a powerful disinfectant commonly used in bathrooms and laundry rooms, but it is far too harsh for car interiors. It can fade fabrics, discolor carpets, and damage leather. Even diluted bleach can leave permanent marks on seats and interior panels. If you need to disinfect your car, use a cleaner that is specifically designed for automotive interiors, as it safely removes germs without damaging surfaces or fading materials. Another household item to avoid is ammonia-based glass cleaner. Many people use these cleaners on household windows and assume they are safe for car glass as well. However, ammonia can damage tinted windows by causing the tint film to fade, bubble, or peel over time. It can also dry out plastic surfaces and leave them looking dull. For car windows, it is always best to use an ammonia-free automotive glass cleaner. Dish soap is another product that should be used carefully. While it may seem harmless, dish soap is designed to cut through grease and oils. When used on leather seats or dashboards, it can strip away protective coatings and natural oils. Over time, this can lead to cracking, fading, and premature wear. Mild automotive cleaners are a much safer option for interior surfaces. Many people reach for household disinfecting wipes when cleaning their vehicles. Although these wipes are convenient, some contain strong chemicals that may damage leather, vinyl, and plastic trim. Frequent use can leave surfaces dry and brittle. Always read the label before using any wipe on your car interior, and choose products that are specifically approved for automotive materials. Hydrogen peroxide is another cleaning product that should be avoided on most interior surfaces. While it is useful for disinfecting wounds and household items, it can bleach or discolor fabrics and upholstery. Repeated use may weaken certain materials and leave noticeable spots. It is safer to use upholstery cleaners that are made specifically for automotive fabrics. Laundry detergent may also seem like a good cleaning solution, especially for stained seats or carpets. However, many detergents contain strong chemicals and fragrances, which are difficult to rinse out completely. Leftover residue can attract dirt and make surfaces become dirty again more quickly. Baking soda is often recommended as a natural cleaner, but it should be used with caution. Baking soda is mildly abrasive and can scratch certain interior surfaces if rubbed too aggressively. It may also leave a white residue in seams, cracks, and textured materials. While it can help absorb odors, it should not be treated as an all-purpose cleaner for every part of your car. Vinegar is another household favorite that many people use for cleaning. Although vinegar can remove some stains and odors, its acidic nature can damage certain interior materials. Leather and some protective coatings may be affected by repeated exposure. Using vinegar on electronic screens is also not recommended because it can damage protective layers. Rubbing alcohol is commonly used for cleaning and disinfecting around the home, but excessive use inside a vehicle can cause problems. It may dry out leather, remove dyes, and damage certain plastic surfaces. While small amounts may be used carefully for specific cleaning tasks, it should never be used as a general-purpose interior cleaner. Magic erasers are another product many people mistakenly use inside their vehicles. Although they appear soft, they actually work like very fine sandpaper. They can remove stains, but they can also remove paint, protective coatings, and surface finishes. Using them on dashboards, leather, plastic trim, or glossy surfaces can result in visible damage. Oven cleaner should never be used anywhere inside a vehicle. This product is extremely strong and designed to remove baked-on grease from metal surfaces. It can quickly damage upholstery, plastic, rubber, and many other interior materials. Air freshener sprays intended for household use should be used cautiously. Some contain oils and chemicals that can stain fabric seats, headliners, and interior trim. Instead of spraying directly onto surfaces, it is better to use products specifically made for vehicle interiors. Paper towels may seem harmless, but some varieties are rough enough to create fine scratches on glossy surfaces and screens. They can also leave lint behind. Microfiber towels are designed to trap dirt without scratching, and are generally much better for vehicle cleaning. They also provide a streak-free finish and make cleaning more effective. Before cleaning your vehicle, take a moment to choose products that are designed for automotive use. This small step can protect your investment, preserve your car's appearance, and help keep the interior clean, comfortable, and attractive for the long term.